Kyle here, Bakersfield Printing and Promotional Products. Today we're going to show you how to add bleed and safety to your artwork. So let's go ahead and start with creating our artwork. We're going to go ahead and do a custom size. So this actually applies at any size, but we're going to go with a 24-inch, let's change this to inches, 24-inch by 18-inch tall artwork, poster, yard sign, whatever it might be. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to add our safety and our bleed. So we're just going to go up to File, click on Settings, and then you're going to see Show Rulers and Guides. Make sure that's checked, and now you see your ruler right here. Then we want to go ahead and add print bleed. Okay, now you'll see it right here as your print bleed. Okay, then the next thing we need to do is, of course, still click on File, Settings, and Show Guides, Add Guide. Now we don't need 6 of these. We're going to go to Custom. We're going to make sure that columns is set to 0, gap is set to 0, and margin is 0.13 inches. They don't do 0.125, but 13 is fine. 0, 0, 0.125. Add Guides. Now you can see right here that we have got our trim. This is what's going to trimmed off here. And this is our safety where you don't want words or anything. Let's go ahead and add some artwork now. So now we're going to go ahead and upload our artwork, upload files, select our file. We got lots of artwork here. There we go. Okay, select our artwork. There it is. Let's go ahead and position this into our artwork. Make sure it goes all the way right there. All right, so now you click off of this. Let's go ahead and position this just a hair better. You can use your keyboard and just use your arrows to move things around. Okay, there we go. Perfection. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in just to kind of check this out. Zoom in even more. Okay. Right here. Let's move over to the side. Zoom in even more. I just want to give you a good perspective on this. There we go. So, what you're going to see here is this is our safety. This is our cut line. This is where the artwork is going to actually be trimmed off. And this excess will be thrown away. So this is what creates artwork to the edge. Otherwise, you could end up with white or anything of that nature. But that's how you create margin and bleed. Now, how do you share this and how do you download it? You click Share. You go Download. PDF, that's what you want to check. PDF for print, documents and settings. CMYK, badge for professional printing. Download, and there you go. It'll download to your computer, save it, and send it to your printer, or us for that matter, if you're looking for an amazing printer. We service the entire nation, and we would love to help you out. On to the next tutorial.